Guys, make sure you watch the full video, don't skip it. And please subscribe, leave a nice comment, hit the like button, and definitely press the bell icon.
What if the most expensive American motorhome you've ever imagined hides a rooftop swimming pool nobody expects? Stay with me because every floor reveals another unbelievable surprise, and the final reveal changes everything. Before we step inside, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which luxury feature you would want most. Your support helps us bring more incredible luxury RV tours, so let's begin. Remember, this concept showcases luxury design inspiration rather than confirmed production specifications. That makes every reveal even more intriguing. Floor 1 welcomes you into an elegant lounge filled with panoramic windows and premium seating. Natural light floods the space, creating a relaxing atmosphere before the next surprise. Beside it sits a beautifully designed kitchen featuring generous preparation space, modern appliances, and smart storage that keeps everything organized for extended travel. Around the corner, a stylish bathroom combines practical comfort with upscale finishes. Continue forward and you'll discover a private office area designed for productivity on the road, proving luxury travel can still support serious work. Finally, the master bedroom delivers a peaceful retreat with refined materials and thoughtful lighting that completes the first floor beautifully. Yet the second level promises an entirely different lifestyle, and that's where things become truly unexpected. Climb upstairs and the atmosphere changes immediately. Instead of quiet relaxation, this level focuses on recreation, wellness, and entertainment. First comes a dedicated gym area where staying active feels effortless even during long adventures. Nearby, a calming massage room encourages complete relaxation after busy travel days. Just beyond that sits a medication room, thoughtfully separated for organized wellness essentials. Hidden farther inside, a full laundry area makes extended journeys significantly more practical. Families will appreciate the colorful kids playing area, carefully designed to keep younger travelers engaged while adults unwind. Next, an elegant minibar creates the perfect place for evening conversations before the biggest surprise arrives. As darkness falls, the space transforms into a vibrant dance party club with dramatic lighting and immersive sound, turning the motorhome into a rolling celebration. Still, none of that compares with the spectacular final floor waiting above. Now we reach the level everyone has been waiting for. The Sky Lounge immediately opens breathtaking elevated views that create an unforgettable sense of freedom. Nearby, a welcoming guest bedroom offers comfortable accommodations without sacrificing privacy. Continue farther and you'll find a completely separate couple's room designed for peaceful escapes within the same extraordinary vehicle. Close by, the men's kit area provides a dedicated personal grooming space with organized storage for travel essentials. Then comes the moment teased from the beginning. Step outside and discover the rooftop swimming pool, creating an unforgettable setting unlike almost anything associated with traditional RV living. Whether this exact concept ever reaches production, it demonstrates how designers continue pushing luxury motorhome imagination beyond familiar expectations. If you enjoyed exploring this incredible concept, subscribe now because we have even more extraordinary luxury RVs, custom motorhomes, and groundbreaking travel creations coming soon. Share this video with friends who love innovative vehicles, and let us know which floor impressed you most. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, keep exploring farther, and never stop imagining what the future of luxury travel could become. Every remarkable concept like this sparks conversations about where luxury travel might head next. Manufacturers continuously experiment with smarter layouts, lighter materials, improved energy systems, and multifunctional living spaces. While individual features may change before production, imaginative designs often influence future recreational vehicles. That's exactly why concepts like this attract enthusiasts, travelers, designers, and families alike. Imagine parking beside a peaceful mountain lake, watching sunrise reflections across the water, then enjoying breakfast before starting another unforgettable road adventure. Later, you could relax indoors, welcome friends, or simply appreciate the freedom that thoughtful mobile design represents. That emotional connection explains why luxury motorhomes continue captivating audiences across America. As technology evolves, expect future RVs to become even more efficient, connected, and adaptable. Imagine advanced safety assistance, cleaner power options, quieter cabins, and intelligent controls simplifying everyday travel. Future innovations could make long journeys more comfortable while preserving the excitement of open road exploration. Until then, visionary concepts inspire dreamers everywhere to imagine what tomorrow might bring. Thanks for watching, supporting the channel, and sharing your enthusiasm. Your feedback shapes future videos, helping us discover the most fascinating luxury vehicles, innovative campers, premium conversions, and unforgettable destinations. Don't miss our next episode, because another astonishing rolling masterpiece is already waiting to surprise you with bold ideas, stunning craftsmanship, incredible comfort, and unexpected features that redefine luxury travel. See you soon for another unforgettable adventure together, where imagination meets engineering and every mile feels extraordinary. Stay curious, stay inspired, keep exploring America's greatest roads with us every single week until the next incredible reveal arrives for everyone watching today.